What's going on, guys? Back at it again in the kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make protein coconut Rice Krispie cups. So let's get started. Okay, so the ingredients I'm gonna be using: 1UP Nutrition coconut ice cream protein powder. I got some dark chocolate chips, coconut oil, and then whole grain puffs. First, we're going to grab a mug. And we're going to add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now we're gonna microwave it for 30 seconds. Once the coconut oil is melted, we're going to add in a scoop of our protein powder. Discount code FITBYJENNIFER for 20% off. And now we mix. Next, I'm going to add into the mug 1/4 cup of these whole grain puffs. Now I'm going to mix the puffs in with the protein powder and the coconut oil. So if the consistency is kind of dry, just add in some extra melted coconut oil and you should be good to go. So next we're going to grab a bowl and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and then 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate chips. And now we're gonna microwave this for 30 seconds. So after we have those two ready, I'm going to take a plate and I have these mini baking cups. So I'm gonna place, okay, can't breathe around these apparently. Okay, I'm going to place 7 of these and then I'm going to pour the chocolate mixture so that way it covers the bottom of each cup. Next, I'm going to add the protein puff mixture. Okay. Now I'm gonna place them in the freezer for about 30 minutes. And what they should look like. Like this, so cute. Okay. Taste test. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. Okay. Definitely a must try. That's what's up. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till next time, peace.